Okay, today I have Kwickset. Never picked a Kwickset before, so I don't know what to expect really. Um, there's a key. It's, well, I thought it was the key. Oh, upside down. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, locked up. I've taken the clip off the back. So if I do open it, it just saves time because it probably takes me forever to take those clips off. So yeah, as I said, I don't know what's inside this or what's not. I've never picked one before. That's a bit. Will that do? Maybe this. Yeah. Stop talking now and see, can I open this thing? There we go. Yeah, that was short and sweet. Whoops. Let's check the goodness out in this thing, huh? Not expecting much now. And follower. Don't know if you can see this, but it's just meant to be a challenge lock. There's a big gaping hole here. I'm sure that you'll see what's inside. So 1 and 2. Standards. 3 is standard. 4 is kind of a T-pin, and 5 is sorry now about this camera work, but you can see that was number 4. Number 5's got serrations. You can see. So maybe this is, yeah, it's see, it's threaded here and camera. Don't know what this is supposed to be, but didn't really seem to work much anyway. Let's try the other end, see what we got. Hopefully you can see this here now. So 1 is really nice pin actually. It's like serrations on it. Number 2 is spools, homemade. Number 3 is serrated. It's homemade as well. Number 4 is homemade spools, a really deep spool. Felt a couple of spools, but I didn't feel anything like, really deep false set like. Number 5 is just a standard. And nothing done inside. Yeah, you can see this now. It's actually a challenge lock. I didn't realise it was a challenge lock, to be honest. So we can see those pins. See this spool, really nice little spool. Oops. Yeah, that's Kwickset challenge lock. Didn't even know it was a challenge lock. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.